get started. First, activate your yeast. In a bowl, combine dried baker's yeast, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and a 1/4 cup of warm water. Give it a stir and let it sit for about 10 minutes until it gets nice and foamy. That's when you know it's alive and ready to work. Next, prepare your bread softener. Just mix it with a 1/4 cup of hot water until smooth. Now for the dough. In a large bowl, combine your pandemix activated yeast, 1/2 cup of water, or milk if you want it richer, 1 egg, and your softener mixture. Mix everything until smooth and elastic. Then add your vegetable oil. Pro tip, lightly grease your hands with oil. It makes kneading so much easier. Time to let it rise. Cover your dough and place it somewhere warm. Let it double in size. That usually takes about 1 to 3 hours. Once it's risen, gently press and knead it, then transfer it into a container or bag with space to grow. Now here's the secret to amazing bread. Chill it overnight. Let it rest in the fridge for 8 to 12 hours. This slow fermentation gives you better flavor, shaping easier the next day. Chilling your dough overnight is most importantly. Alright, next day, let's shape. Don't forget to oil your hands. Pandesal, roll into balls, coat in breadcrumbs, let rise again. You've got 3 delicious options. Pandesal, roll into balls, coat in breadcrumbs, let rise again, then bake until golden. Combo. Bake everything at around 170 to 175 degrees Celsius until lightly golden brown and your kitchen smells amazing. And that's it. Soft, fluffy, homemade Filipino bread, just like your favorite bakery. Bake, bite, enjoy. See you in the next video.